Hello everyone. Today I am going to just tell you how we can write a single number in 4 different ways. There are more than 4 ways in which we can write a number, but I am going to tell you the 4 ways in which you can write a given number. Now, exercise 3.7 unit subtraction, and the question is write in 4 different ways using plus sign only. It means we have to write these given numbers in 4 different ways using plus sign. Fine. So first number is 39. So how we are saying it? 39. So its breakup is 30 plus 9, and 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. So this is the breakup of 39. This is the first way in which we can write this number using plus sign. Now you just see the rule which I am going to follow to just write this number in 4 different ways, and you have to follow the same rule for writing the given number in 4 different ways. Now first one is 30 plus 9. Now I am going to just decrease this side by 10 and increase this side by 10. So 30 minus 10 is 20, but 9 plus 10 is 19. Here I am going to subtract 10. Here I am going to add 10 to just follow the pattern. 20 plus 19 is also 39. If you have any doubt, just add it. It is 39. You can just check it also. Next, again I am going to subtract 10 from it. So 10, and I am going to add 10 to it. So it will become 29, and 10 plus 29 is 39. Again I am going to subtract 10 from it, so it will become 0, and when I will add 10 to it, it will become 39, and 0 plus 39 is also 39. So 30 plus 9 is also 39, 20 plus 19 is also 39, 10 plus 29 is also 39, and 0 plus 39 is also 39. So I have written 39 in 4 different ways using the plus sign. But the simplest rule I have followed here is I have subtracted 10 from this side in every step, and I have added 10 here in every step. So 9 plus 10 is 19, 19 plus 10 is 29, 29 plus 10 is 39. So I can increase this. So here 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 10 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So I am subtracting 10 from this side at every step and adding 10 here at every step. Now let us move on to the second number. It is 71. Its breakup is 70 and 1, means 70 plus 1. Now let us follow the rule which we have followed here. 70 minus 10 is 60, plus add here 11. 60 plus 11 is 71. Again subtract from this side 10 from this side and add 10 to this side. 60 minus 10 is 50, and 11 plus 10 is 21. 50 plus 21 is again 71. At any step, if you have any doubt, you can just check it by adding, or at every step you can check by adding. Now again 50 minus 10 is 40, and 21 plus 10 is 31. So 70 minus 10 60, minus 10 50, minus 10 40, 1 plus 10 11, plus 10 21, plus 10 31. Here I have subtracted 10 at every step. Here I have added 10 at every step, and this is how I have written this number in the simplest way in 4 different ways using plus sign. This is the simplest method which you can follow. Now the next one is 86. So 86, its first breakup is 80 plus 6. Then 70 plus 16. 10 I have subtracted here, and 10 I have added here, subtracted from here and added here. Now 60 plus, it will become 26. Then 50 plus, it will become 36. So here I have just came down 80, 70, 60, 50, and here 6 plus 10 16, plus 10 26, plus 10 36. Here I am decreasing by 10, here I am increasing by 10. So dear students, this is how you can write a number in 4 different ways using plus sign. But there are not only these 4 different ways. I have just gone for the simplest 4 ways. There are n number of ways in which you can write the number using plus sign in different ways. There are more than these ways also. Fine. So you can try them in your rough notebooks just for practice. Now let us move on to the next question. Write in 4 different ways using minus sign. Here we will again write the given numbers in 4 different ways, but here we will use the minus sign instead of plus sign. So just follow me and see how I am going to do it this time. It's 46, so I will take the number that is, it is in 40s, so I will take 50. 50 minus 4 is 46. You can check from here. You have to borrow and then you can subtract. See, for subtraction you need not always to know that whether it is written, it will not be written every time that borrow and subtract. You have to check whether you need to borrow or not. You have to see it on your own. So 50 minus 4 is 46. Now I will increase here. In the previous question I have decreased this side. Now this time I am going to increase this side. Then 60 minus 14. So here also I have increased. This time I am going to increase both sides by 10. This one and this one. In the previous question I have decreased this side and increased this side by 10. This time we will increase both sides by 10 in case of writing a number in 4 different ways using minus sign. After 60, 70 minus 24. 10 I have added here and 10 I have added here. Then 80 minus 34, it is also 46. At any of this step, if you have doubt, you can just check. Just borrow and check it. Fine. Subtract and check whether you are doing correct or not. Now let us do the second part. It is 28. It is in 20s. So we will take 30s. 30 minus 2 is 28. Now let us increase both the sides by 10 at every step. 30 plus 10 is 40, 2 plus 10 is 12, and 40 minus 12 is again 28. In case of any doubt, you can subtract and check. Then again increase it. 50 minus 22, again the answer will be 28. Then 60 minus 32 and the answer will again is 28. This is how you can do, or you can write a number in 4 different ways using minus sign. Now the last part, 67. So I'm not going to take the number in 60s. I'm going to take the number in 70s. So 70 minus 3 is 67. You can check it. Then increase it by 10. 80 minus 13. Here also add 3 plus 10 is 13. Then 90 minus 23. After 90 it will become 100, and after 23 it will become 33. In case you have any doubt, you just subtract it. This is 1, it will become 10. When this will borrow, it will become 9, and this will become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6. This is how you can check it. So dear students, this is how you can write a given number using plus or minus sign in 4 different ways, but there are more than these ways in which I have written. You can just go for that also. So I hope you all would have understood this question. Thank you.